In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Google Forms in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to organize your form into sections for a cleaner and more organized look, or to guide your respondents through a more focused path, you're in the right place. First, let's head over to Google Drive, open up your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage where all of your current files are located. If you haven't signed in yet, simply log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the upper left corner and find the New button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Google Forms. Depending on your settings, Google Forms may be listed directly under New, or you might need to find it under More. Once you see it, click Google Forms to open a new blank form. Now that you have a blank form, it's time to give it a name. At the top where it says Untitled Form, click to enter your form's title. For instance, you could name it Customer Feedback or Volunteer Sign Up. Whatever suits your purpose, adding a relevant name helps you and your respondents understand the form's intention quickly. Next, let's add our first question. Click the section under the title that says Untitled Question. Here you can type in your first question, like what is your favorite color? You can customize this further by selecting the type of answers you want to collect. For this walkthrough, let's choose multiple choice from the drop-down menu that appears to the right of the question. This is ideal for providing respondents with predefined options. The beauty of Google Forms is the ability to divide your form into sections, making it more navigable for respondents. To do that, click the last icon in the vertical toolbar on the right with an equal symbol and a line, which allows you to add section. Adding sections simplifies complex forms by breaking them into manageable parts, allowing users to focus on relevant sections. In each new section, you can add sub-questions relevant to that section's topic. It's a seamless way to structure your form in a way that aligns with how you think about your questions. For instance, in a survey about event feedback, you could have different sections for event content, venue, and overall impression. Once sections are added, you can connect sections to specific answers. For instance, you might want to guide respondents to a certain section based on their answers to a multiple choice question. To do this, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the option, and then choose Go to Section based on answer. You'll then have the option to select which section each answer should jump to. After setting up all the connections and sections, it's important to test the flow. Click on the eye icon at the top right to preview your form, allowing you to verify everything functions as intended. Once satisfied, navigate back to your form, click Send right at the top to publish your form, and start collecting responses. Congratulations! You've successfully created a multi-page Google form ready to gather insight.